Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be trying on the Maybelline Lifter Glosses. I always want to call them lip lifters. I want to call them lifter lip glosses. But it is the Maybelline Lifter Glosses. As you can see, I picked up 6 of them. FYI, do not pick them up from Ulta. Ulta is charging, I think, like $8.99, and everybody else is charging like $6.99 for them. So I did get these from Walmart close to me, and they were like $6.98. But I absolutely love this packaging. I love how chunky it is. FYI, this chunkiness is deceiving, and I have not heard anybody mention that. You only get like 5.4 fluid ounces of product in this chunky packaging, and I think that is a little bit deceiving because I'm expecting at least like 8 to 10 milliliters in this packaging, but you only get 5.4. So we are going to get started. So the shades that I picked up are 003 Moon. I picked up 004 Silk, and Silk looks like a color that I would wear on a regular basis anyway, so that's Silk. 005 Petal, which is really pretty, also in a color that I would throw on. 007 Amber, which looks like a pretty nude color. 009 Topaz, and 010 Crystal. Alright, so we are, I was going to start in order, but I'm going to start like with the lightest one first that I have here, which is like Amber, and this is 007. And they do have a safety seal on them. Thank goodness. I mean, I think it's easy to break that seal, but they do have that seal on them. Also, FYI, if you go to the store, because my husband did pick these up for me, I sort of ordered them for pickup. If the seal is broken, just kind of open it a little bit. If you notice that this window is full of product, don't purchase it. When you pull it out, as you can see, that little area fills up with product. So that's another way you can tell whether or not somebody like swatched the lip gloss in the store. But this one is 007 Amber, and it feels really good. And these glosses have hyaluronic acid in them, so I'm expecting it to make my lips look younger. But this one doesn't seem super shiny. Sorry, had hair on my lip. It doesn't seem super shiny, but it does have a good amount of pigment to it, which I do like, and it does feel really good. Like, the scent of them almost makes me feel like it's going to be like one of those plumping glosses. That's what the scent smells like, but it doesn't burn my lips at all. So that's 007 Amber. The next one I am going to grab is going to be 003 Moon. Okay. They have kind of a sweet taste to them also. So this is 003 Moon, and my sister opened this one yesterday, so this one is kind of filled up. Oh, I like this one. This one gives me Fenty Gloss Bomb vibes. Ooh, and it smells so good, and it just feels so good on my lips. This one seems a little bit shinier than Amber, but this one is 003 Moon. This one is 004 Silk. And once again, that little window that fills up if the thing is pulled out. Oh, this is pretty. I would definitely classify this as one of the ones that you can kind of just throw on your lips and go. This one for me would be like a purse gloss. Except I'm a little messy right there. That one would be a purse gloss for me. So if I'm like caught and I didn't bring like a lip color, like right now it doesn't matter because we wear a mask. But if I am caught without a lip color, this one would be perfect to be like already in my bag and I can just pull it out and pop something on my lips, and I think it would go with any eyeshadow look. So this one again is 004 Silk. Alright, and the next one I'm going to grab is 005 Petal. Ugh, I kind of got in my lip a little bit, in my mouth a little bit. Petal is really pretty too. Makes my lips look juicy. I like that. Yeah, ooh. I'm out of practice putting lip products on, but yes, this makes my lips look juicy. It kind of goes with the eyeshadow look, just like Silk kind of went with the eyeshadow look, but this is really pretty. And my lips feel really good. So once again, that one is 005 Petal. So the next one that I'm going to try on is 009 Topaz. This one looks a little metallic to me. Well, Moon looked a little metallic too. Like this one and Moon give me like the Fenty Gloss Bomb vibes. Let us see. I just broke the little tab, so let's just tear that off. Yeah, for sure, this one gives me Fenty Gloss Bomb vibes. Like, it's not giving me a lot of color payoff. It's giving me a lot of shine though. And just a little bit. This is definitely one of those throw in your purse and live in your purse ones. Especially if you just want to moisturize your lips and you don't really want any color payoff. So this one is, once again, 009 Topaz. Alright, so the last one that I'm going to be trying on is 010 Crystal. This one is looking very bronzy in the packaging. So we'll see what it looks like on my lips. Yeah, it has a bronzy vibe to it, but it is really pretty. I like that. I'm looking at myself in my monitor over here on the side. I really, really like this. I get bronziness, but not a lot of pigmentation, but I am okay with that because it makes the lips appear really glossy, and I like that. Once again, this one is 010 Crystal. I thought that it was one that was a little bit darker than this, but I'm not sure. We will keep that one on for the rest of the day today or until it wears off. It has a decent amount of pigmentation, but it's not super pigmented, so I can still kind of see my lip color up under it. I failed to mention, but I think a lot of other people did in their videos, that this has that larger, it's not the largest doe foot I've seen, but it does have a larger doe foot applicator in it, and I have seen them range between the $6.98 that I purchased them from at Walmart to $8.99, which I have seen the price at on Ulta. Also, Ulta, almost every shade is sold out, at least online it is. I don't know how it is if you go to your local Ulta store. You may be able to find it. These are a fantastic alternative to the higher end glosses, i.e. Fenty Gloss Bombs. Yeah, these are a fantastic alternative to those. $6.99. We can all afford $7 to have a nice gloss to throw in our purses. The packaging is amazing. Whoever came up with the design for this packaging, you are like my favorite person right now. And you can see the, if I can get it a little bit closer, let's see. Yeah, you can see the Maybelline New York, and it says plus hyaluronic acid. And I think if I can show you, yeah, if I show it to you here, it's in sort of a rose gold tone. So this packaging is really, really pretty. It feels like substantial in your hand. It feels high end to me. I hope that they do not discontinue these glosses, because these are like really, I would purchase these over the higher end glosses. Definitely would purchase these over the higher end glosses. That is it, you all. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, you all, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.